press start.
It started. We're about to go.
Look at it. It's blue. Where's the monkey? We're up there.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's go find it now.
All right, guys. Okay, well, let's wait for them to catch up. Oh, I don't even know where they are. Oh, there they are. Wow, look at that.
Dad, we should do hikes like these a lot.
We should. An observatory and a rest house are there right now. Ooh, they have a zip line. It's not like one, it is one.
I'm a child.
Okay, go. Guys, go take a quick zip line. I'll hold these for you.
Dad, that slime looks like it would burn my butt.
That slide might burn your butt.
Okay. Look at this ground.
Yeah.
And we're not even at the top yet.
We're not.
Probably we're not at the top yet.
Okay, go. No. Maybe. Nice. Hold on, Josh. Do you want to try the zip line? Josh, come here and do the zip line.